The following message is transmitted by the request of the Center of the Disease Control and Nycos Corporation. A necrotic contagious disease warning for the following maps: NN_null, NN_Russia, NN_crossroads, NN_Convergern, NN_tunnels, NN_port, NN_Grand Hotel, NN_Spath, NN_backrooms, NN_flatress, NN_big maze, NN_dream maze, and NN_playground. The virus has spread in airborne and it can infect people. The symptoms of the virus include ulcers, blisters, or black spots on the skin, changes in the color of the skin, pus or oozing, dizziness, fatigue, diarrhea or nausea. The virus was very dangerous and it can infect people turned into cannibalistic-like creatures. Residents in one of these maps are advised to stay inside the safe area and do not go outdoors. If you have a cannibalistic-like creatures in your home, use a firearms, sharp objects to kill them. If you are infected by one of these creatures, commit suicide immediately. Stay tuned for more information.